Elliott wave source, #1 source for Elliott wave technical analysis. Today is May 1st, 2013, and today I will be covering two pairs for you guys, Euro Pound and the CAD Yen. Starting out with the Euro Pound, we see that we had those 5 impulses going up, and now we're working on that corrective phase. We already carved out wave A and B, and now currently working on wave C. So as you see, we already have our first targets for wave C, which is at 8241, which was derived from the distance of wave A applied to the end of wave B. That also lines up with the 50% fib level of the entire move of the impulses going up. So as we drop down on the 30-minute just to get a closer look at the impulses, and we see that we had wave 1 and 2 completed, and we are currently working on wave 3. So now as we take a look, we see that wave 2 retraced 61% of wave 1, and just looking to see, it already appears as if this will be an extended wave. So we had 1, 2, 3 working on 4, and then we'll see 5 come down. So now be wary of this pair, as if it breaks 85, then the wave count would then be invalid and we would have to relabel. So if it does break 85, then this entire move would be wave 1, and the count would be as followed. It would be 1, 2, 3. As you see, this is 100% move, so it would be 3 and a small 4, and then 5, and then this would be 2, so it would be 1, 2. So be on the lookout for 85. If you get a break above, then that wave count would be different, but if not, then the wave count would be intact, and now we're working on that third extended wave. So we should see this pair push lower. So now shifting gears to the CAD Yen, and just talking about this pair last week, as I feel as if we're working on that wave 4. Price has been moving sideways for some time now, so this would be a good pair to follow, as once we see those impulses going down, we should tell that it should be very beneficial to us. So as we drop down on the 30-minute charts, we get a closer look at the corrective phase. So we got that 5 down in the form of impulses. See that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in general, this pair should then be a zigzag correction, and the B wave usually terminates between 38 and 79% the entire move. So if we just apply this here, then we should see this wave terminating, somewhere about at most 98. So you'd go to 98, finish that C wave on that smaller cycle, or give us that B to this cycle, and then we should work on that C, which would then finish wave 4, and then we should see this pair push higher. So I'm definitely expecting it to go towards 98 and then push lower. We can also see this pair continue to trade sideways and give us that extended B wave, and it would be in the form of a 3-3 or a 3-3, that B wave. So we could see that. So don't be surprised if this pair continues to move choppily, but just be on the lookout, as once it breaks below the cycle, then we should see it fall some, and we should be able to take advantage of that. So thank you guys for watching the video today. If you have any questions regarding these two pairs or any other pairs, you can feel free to contact me or Paul in the chat room, and we will gladly assist you. And for you guys that are not members as yet, just follow us on Twitter. Twitter handle is eWaveSource. It's eWaveSource, and we usually give out our updates. So members, you guys should follow us if you're not on there as well. I know a couple of you guys have not been following us on Twitter, so please do so you can get the updates once we put them out, versus to them going straight to your email. And then you also see when we post the new videos or the chart of the day, or when we update the intraday charts. So thanks for watching the video and have a safe week trading.